Hello student, my name is Anil. So as we discussed in last video the physical properties of metal, now we are with the physical properties of non-metal. So in this video we are going to learn the physical properties of non-metal. So let's start. See, the physical properties of non-metals are just the opposite of the properties of the metal. So first property of non-metal, that non-metal are non-malleable. Non-malleable means if non-metals are beaten with a hammer, they cannot change into sheets like we discuss in metal. So they will break down, and they are non-ductile also. Non-ductile means they cannot be changed into वायर. ओके, जैसे कि मेटल्स को हम स्ट्रेच करके वायर्स में चेंज कर सकते थे, नॉन मेटल के साथ ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. ओके, दे विल ब्रेक डाउन, एंड दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ब्रेकिंग डाउन इज नोन एज ब्रिटलनेस. दैट मीन्स नॉन मेटल आर brittle, okay, because they will be break down into small pieces when they are beaten. So this property is known as brittleness. Okay, this characteristic, and because of this property they cannot change into sheets and wire. Okay, now next property. So non-metal are bad conductor of heat and electricity. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Bad conductor of heat and electricity means they do not allow the heat or electricity to pass through them. Okay, so they are bad conductor. And there is one exception. See, diamond is a non-metal, but it is a good conductor of heat. Okay, exception जो केस है, except diamond. Okay, and another non-metal which is a form of which is made of carbon, that is graphite. Graphite is also non-metal, but it is a good conductor of electricity. Rest non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, and this graphite is used in our dry cells. Next property, we can take third property, their appearance. Non-metals are non-lustrous, means they are not shiny. Okay, or we can say they are having dull appearance. Okay, चमक नहीं है, like they have metals. But still we have one exceptional case, except iodine. So iodine is a non-metal which have lustrous appearance. It's shine like a metal. Okay. The fourth property. Non-metals are soft. Okay. In metal also we have one exceptional, potassium and sodium. They can be cut with a knife. Okay. Rest metals are solid, and non-metals are mostly soft. Like we have sulfur, phosphorus, all these metals are soft and cut easily with a knife. But only one metal, okay, exceptional case, only one non-metal which is a form of carbon, that is diamond. It's very hard. Okay, it is hardest natural substance. Okay, so most of the metals are soft. Now another property, fifth property of non-metal. Non-metals have low tensile strength. So what do you mean by tensile strength? See, when we put some weight on the non-metal, they will break down. Okay, so that means they have low tensile strength. Metals, they do not break down when we put some weight on them. Okay, so that's why they don't have any uses, large uses in making any machinery or something. See, one example we have like graphite. Okay, पेंसिल के अंदर होता है, क्या होता है? It break down when we apply little pressure on it. पेंसिल के अंदर जो ग्रेफाइट होता है, ओके, थोड़ा सा प्रेशर डालने पर क्या हो जाता है? टूट जाता है. सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी डिस्कस करते हैं. Non-metals. Sixth property. These non-metals are found in solid, liquid, and in gas state. Okay, so they are found in all the three physical states: solid, liquid, and gas. For example, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, they are found in solid state. Okay, and bromine found in liquid, and whereas hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, these are found in gaseous form. So we have all these three physical states in our non-metal, whereas metals are found in solid state. We have one exception in metal, but non-metals found in solid, liquid, and gases, all these three forms. So next property, the seventh properties of non-metal, they have low melting point, and boiling point. Non-metals have low melting point and boiling point. That means they melt at low temperature or vaporize at low temperature as compared to the metals. Okay, for example, if you take sulfur, the melting point is nearly 119 degree Celsius, Okay, so they vaporize or melt at very low temperature, but we have exceptional case, exceptional case, graphite. Graphite is a non-metal which have very high melting point, 3700 degrees Celsius, which is very high melting point. Okay, so this is the 7 physical property of non-metal. Now come to the next physical property of non-metal, that is non-metal have low density. They have low density. Okay, because of this low density, these non-metals are light in weight, lightweighted. They are having less density, so they are light in weight, but still we have exceptional. आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा exceptional case आ रहे हैं, metals में भी थे, non metals में भी हैं. Okay, so we have iodine. Iodine have high density than the rest of the non-metal. Means iodine is heavier than rest of the non-metals. Non-metals are, next properties, non-metals are non-sonorous. Means they do not produce any sound when we strike them, so they are non-sonorous. And last property of non-metal, that non-metals, they are found in different colors. ओके, जैसे मेटल्स जो थे ग्रे और सिल्वर कलर में मिलते थे मोस्टली, ऐसे नॉन मेटल्स जो हैं डिफरेंट कलर्स में मिलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सल्फर इज येलो, ओके, देन वी हैव ग्रेफाइट, इसको हम ग्रे बोल सकते हैं, ब्लैक बोल सकते हैं. क्लोरीन गैस जो है आपकी, इट इज येलोइश ग्रीन. ब्रोमीन is also gas, its color is red brown. Hydrogen gas is colorless. Okay, and phosphorus is red in color. So now you see they have different colors. So these are the few properties of non-metals, and with their some exceptional case. So this is all for today. We'll be having another topic in next video. Thank you.